Hi everyone! For this video, I wanted to show you how I prepare one of my favorite DIY leafy salad, should I say. No meat, no oil. So this is what I usually eat on a daily basis since I started my quote-unquote diet program. So I basically just have 5 key, should I say, ingredients. I would normally just buy this lettuce pack, which is already clean, ready to eat. Some of the supermarkets, they have that. And then I normally would like to have some avocados on my salad. Usually 2 of them. I already clean it, cut into half and in the seed. And then I would also put some cherry tomatoes. And then I would also add some berries. This time I'm using blueberry because this is what's available. And it's also affordable at the moment. Sometimes it could be expensive, so I'd rather not put any. When I normally would put a lot of nuts. This is a trail mix, the normal one. I'm not gonna put all of this because some of them I'm saving for snacks, but I normally prefer to have some crunch on the salad itself. So, and I don't put any meat or anything other than this. I really like this. Is one of my favorite salad dressing. It's yuzu and green pepper dressing, no oil.
Okay guys, so now let's do it. I've already placed the lettuce on the bowl, as you can see. It's already clean and fresh, so it's ready to eat. Next, I would normally just use a spoon to scrape all the avocado and just dump all of them in the bowl. Pop it on the lettuce so you can see what I'm doing now. I place all the avocados. Let's try to fix them a bit so that it'll have a nice. Next, I will put the blueberries. And of course, the cherry tomatoes. It's very easy, guys. It's just putting everything together. And lastly, guys, of course, last but not the least, if I'll be very honest, this is actually my favorite part of the salad. It's the trail mix nuts. It's a combination of almonds, there got some cashew, and walnuts. I just put all of them here. I usually put a generous amount because, as I said, it's my favorite part of the salad itself. And of course, to top everything, you should have a very nice dressing. And as I said, this is my favorite. I usually use the cup to measure how much I would put. But since, as I said, it's almost done, so I'm just gonna put everything. So that's it. There you have it. My own version of my daily favorite green salad, no meat. Bon appetit, enjoy!